Today we are going to do another demo of Odysser's chatbot. Odysser takes care of content creation end-to-end, but we want to help on the ideation part of things because that makes such a big difference in content. And we really believe in finding content that is unique to you. And so we do this through questioning, and I'm going to demo that right now. We are very much iterating on this experience, so it's not perfect, but let's give it a go. Silence in the office for this demo, apparently. My name is Joan. So far, so good. It knows my name. My company is named Odysser. If I can spell that right, that is. Oh, it keeps autocorrecting with caps on, and I don't know why. At some point, I think I wrote it with all caps, and now it's just in one sentence. What are we building, and who's it for? I'm building a tool to help founders create more content because we believe content is the best marketing there is. It is for founders who want to tell their stories to the world. That is who it's for. Let's see. What does it say? My friend who demoed it the other day said that it was really annoying not knowing if the server had just gone down or if it was typing or waiting. So we should probably add that. I feel like people would appreciate it. Well, now the bot is taking a little while. Marwan, did you deploy and break things?
No.
Okay, there was some timeout error on Twilio. We're going to send the same message again. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, it worked. What did I work on today? Some outreach for initial beta users. What else did we do today? A Spotify integration. So this part I have not demoed, but I did build today, which is a Spotify integration that takes your Spotify playlist and then gets the best songs for the videos that you want to make. The whole point is this should be you. This should be your music. This should be your stories. This should be about you and authentic to you, but also without making you have to choose music every single time. And so anyway, I made a Spotify integration that helps get music for the founders' videos that is authentic to them. And what else? What else did I do today? I played a lot of foosball and played a few games of foosball. I'm absolutely addicted to that sport. I can play 12 hours a day. Spotify integration sounds awesome. Was there a moment today, maybe during outreach or tinkering with that integration, where you hit a wall or something surprised you? What was going... Okay, to be honest, the Spotify integration was a surprise idea I did not intend to build at all. And this is true. Build at all. I actually didn't think about the music side of things, but I was watching some inspiration for the kind of videos I want to be able to create that truly, genuinely inspire. And I realized music is such an important part. Perhaps actually the most important. And so I thought, how can I automate the music part? But then also realized if I do that without user input, it won't really be authentic to them. You know, I don't listen to every type of song. I like certain genres, I dislike others. And you watching this, maybe you like other types of music, you know? And so it won't be authentic to me if it puts a song which I don't like. And so I thought of the Spotify thing. Then I built it quickly, shipped and tested, and made a small curation of music options for a video idea with AI. And it was actually pretty decent. I really like that idea of just being able to get music for my videos from my Spotify without having to choose them every single time. And also, if I do want to choose, I can. And that's completely fine. But like when I don't have time, when I'm busy, when I'm in the moment, whatever. Anyway, love that. That's a big, legit aha moment. Spotting something crucial you'd overlooked. Okay, that sounds a bit AI-ish, which probably fix that. When you realized a missing piece of music and needed to feel personal, what did that spark inside of you? Did it change the way you thought about helping founders tell their stories? Kind of, but not massively. Like, it just reinforced the belief that we have to build systems that extract from the founder's life without getting in their way or depending too much on their effort for input. Like, it needs to just passively accumulate data about you so that it can make stuff that's authentic to you and prompt you with the right questions, that make you want to be able to talk about stuff, but without also getting in the way or, asking me to pick a song for every single video, because that's going to be a pain and I'm going to get lazy. So, but I think I already had a little bit of that belief. It wasn't a massive change in the way I saw things. So let's see where it goes from here. Pretty decent workflow so far. Right. It timed out. So we probably need to fix that part as well. Let's see. Okay. All right. Tracking with you. Sometimes small moments just reinforce what we already believe, not necessarily flip our worldview. Let's try another angle. What's a recent win, big or small, that actually gave you some momentum or made you feel like, okay, this is working. I could see this taking off. Well, for the first time ever, I did 5 outreach messages and had 2 positive replies within a day. I was literally just testing an outreach tool. That was insane. I just explained I've been posting on YouTube for a year and a half every single day as a founder, and it's hard to stay consistent and come up with good ideas, and it's expensive to have editors and all that stuff. And I just said I built something to make it cheaper and easier, and man, people replied, and that was pretty cool. All right, we got another timeout. So at least it's a better ideation experience than the last demo I did, which was considerably worse. Anyway, let's do this. Also, I don't know, but I think we should probably integrate this with Slack or something sooner rather than later, because typing this out on my phone is getting really old. My thumbs do not like typing this much. That is a problem with the experience, I will say. Voice notes would be cool, and or calls. Calls would be even cooler. A lot of people have asked for calls, but that stuff is a little bit more challenging to actually get at a reasonable cost. So a lot of audio processing gets very expensive for us as well. So we clearly have some issues with the Twilio API. All right, sounds like nothing's coming to mind on the tough lesson front. That's totally fine. Let's pause here. When something juicy comes... Okay, so it basically just gave up on me.
Gave up on you?
Bro, it said, let's pause here. When something juicy comes to mind, just tell me and we'll turn it into something great.
So, it says you basically said nothing interesting.
Right, so my AI has decided that I'm too boring to make a video today. I would argue that is just a question of asking the wrong questions, but wow, okay, damn. I mean, there was a lot more faith in this demo. By some measure, it was better. By other measures, it was a hell of a lot worse. So I will demo this again some other time. That's another demo for today. It's a Saturday evening. I'm going to go to sleep soon. But, at least we gave it a shot. That's a wrap on this one. By the time this video comes out, this should be a hell of a lot better. So stay tuned for more demos to come. Yeah, leave any questions in the comments. I'll reply to them. I'm probably going to actually check out a few comments now.